Hello listeners, welcome to our end of the week video update, which will be just a quick one, an intro to the webinar that we will have on Monday, September 18th at 15 Central European Time. Okay, so make sure to be with us there. You will be able to find the link somewhere around or below this video in the comments. Okay, so as you know, we have recently been sharing our views of the US dollar. We've been looking higher for on dollar index, which recently has unfolded as after the US CPI data and more importantly after the ECB rate decision yesterday. So I think the dollar is running into a pretty strong potential reversal zone. So I think having a webinar on Monday is going to be in good timing actually. So before we go to some of the charts, I want to bring your attention to this overlay, okay, to this overlay chart where I compare dollar index with some major currency pairs. And notice the dollar index so far from summer lows, we've been up I think it's been up around 5% or so, if not even more. But what is very interesting is that now when dollar index moved to a new high, okay, we have seen actually other markets, other currency pairs stabilizing. Okay, Kiwi, Aussie are finding some support, but notice what is happening with CAD and Mexican peso. You can clearly see a nice and strong rebound here on CAD and Mexican peso. So in other words, despite higher dollar index, we are seeing that Mexican peso and Canadian dollar are doing even better. So what happens if the dollar index would move into the resistance and potentially will sell off, which in my opinion is very possible here because we have the wave structure, which shows that also we are in late stages of a 5-wave recovery. So if dollar index is really moving into the resistance and we are seeing a sell-off, well, I think that CAD and Mexican peso, which are doing very well already now, will jump even higher. So here we have dollar index, as I said, into this resistance area. We will talk about more subdivisions in our webinar on Monday. So definitely very strong resistance area here. And since I mentioned this correlation with CAD, notice what is going on here. Dollar index is moving to the upside, but dollar CAD is coming to the downside. So if dollar index is really going to stop at the resistance area there around 106 or so, and then we sell off, well, dollar CAD, which is already coming to the downside, will in my opinion see even more weakness. And short term, I see some very nice setup on dollar CAD. So I will definitely talk about this one in webinar on Monday as well. Also, I mentioned dollar Mexican peso, and by the way, we shared this one as well on our free analysis page. So if you're not regular visitor of our website wavetraders.com, make sure to check this out. So here, as you know, we've been talking about the corrective pullback, and looks like this downtrend has some lags for further weakness, because this was wave 4 that belongs to a higher degree bearish impulse. So fifth wave, in my opinion, could approach the lows. Also, Mexican peso has been doing very well for the last few months, if not years. So I think that staying with this downtrend now when dollar index is moving into potential resistance area makes sense, at least for me. Okay, so traders, that's it for now. Don't miss our webinar on Monday, 15 Central European Time. We will also look at some other markets as well. Also, I will even talk about some stocks and cryptocurrencies as well. So traders, make sure to be with us on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.